Hi everyone, this is Felicia with FP Handmade, and I'm coming at you with a really quick craft haul video. I have a couple of items to show you from Amazon and Little Birdie. From Amazon, I picked up a new die set, and these were some Easter dies for the little bunnies and their tags. And you get 3. I picked these are from KSCraft. But I did order them off of Amazon. And so here are the 3 dies. And I did cut them out to show you guys. So here's one. And here is another. And I don't think I cut the 3rd one out. I really didn't like that it had the stars on the side there. I didn't notice that when I ordered it. That's what you get for doing late night shopping in your bed. The wee hours of the morning. But, yeah, I didn't really like that. I didn't know what stars had to do with bunnies, and kind of threw me when I saw them. But I may try them out for some mail that I'll be sending out to my nephews and nieces. So I'm not sure. I can cut a square piece of paper and cover that up, which is probably what I will do. But that was from Amazon, and it's KSCraft's little bunny tag die. And then from Little Birdie, everyone had been picking up the pearl drops, so I thought I would try them. I picked up, let's see, the lemon whip, lemon pearl, jade isle, orchid lace, the orange one, which was tangelo, citrus, aqua drop, and then forest isle. So I thought I would put these to the test. Let me zoom in a little here. So I thought I'd put them to the test and challenge them against my Nouveau drop. This one here. I don't have all the colors to match these. And this orange one. And I think I did a green one. Let's see. This green one here. So I wanted to see how they stood up to the pearl drop stood up to the Nouveau. So I did a little swatch. And so what I did was I just put some drops on, put the paper aside for 24 hours to see what they look like. So the pearl drops, they flattened out without me doing anything. I just literally put the pearl drops on the paper and the Nouveau drops, and then put the paper aside. I didn't tap it or anything. And you can see how the Nouveau drops kind of kept their little dot shape, where the pearl drops kind of collapsed a little. And then one of the things I noticed was that on the clear ones, or not the clear ones, the light color ones, the color wasn't consistent. Well, however, one of the things I did like was that the pearl drops were ready to go as soon as you open them. You didn't have to pierce them, which I've had a little bit of issue with one of my Nouveau drops in trying to get it pierced correctly. So that's just my take. I think, you know, the orange looks really good. And the green looks good, but the other ones, and it could have been me pushing it, you know, holding the bottle too tight, too much pressure. So that's just something to think about, that they didn't, they're maybe thinner than the Nouveau drops. So that's my haul. I wanted to share with you the Little Birdie pearl drops, as well as the little bunny tags from KSCraft via Amazon. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. If you are new to my channel, thanks for watching, and maybe consider subscribing. And to all of my subscribers, thank you very much. I'll talk to you soon.